Hi, I'm Emma Stewart. I'm a realtor with Remax Treeland Realty, and I take the anxiety out of buying or selling your Fraser Valley home. Okay, we are back with another Because You Asked question. And today's question is, how do I know if the speculation tax applies to me? It's a good question. But in order to answer it, we should probably also explain what the speculation tax is. So let's dive in. So, what is the speculation tax? Well, it's actually called the speculation and vacancy tax, and it's a tax for homeowners here in the province of British Columbia. What does it do? Well, if you go on the website for the government of BC, it says that this tax was designed to take vacant homes and create housing for people here in the province. Basically, don't leave your home empty. Let's make sure somebody lives in it. It's not a bad idea. At the current rate, the speculation tax is 0.5% of the property's assessed value unless you are a foreign purchaser, and then your tax rate is at 2%. Does it apply to you? You can figure that out by answering two simple questions as a homeowner. One, do you live there? Two, does anybody live there? A tenant, a family member, just somebody. If you said no to both of those, unfortunately, the tax does apply to you. However, if you said yes, it doesn't. So, how do we make sure that you don't have to pay this tax every year? The government sends out notices every year in early February asking you to declare for the speculation and vacancy tax. You have until March 31st to make this declaration, and it is super easy. These declaration notices come with URLs. So you go to the web address, and it also has a little code in it. So you enter your personal code, and then you answer a couple of questions. You're done. That's it. So why are we talking about this now if these notices come out in February? Well, most people who are shopping in October usually move in December or maybe even January. And our land titles office, the office that formally registers you as the homeowner with any official governing body, is 8 to 12 weeks behind in that filing. So in February, when they send out the notices, the notice could be sent under the previous homeowner's name. And since we've all been told, rightfully so, not to open other people's mail, especially government mail, you may not know that that's your declaration notice. So, how do you make that declaration if you can't open a notice with somebody else's name on it? We've got you covered. In the description below is a web address for the speculation and vacancy tax website or webpage. On there, you'll have the contact information for who to contact in the event that you don't have your declaration. And it also has all the usual FAQs as well, because unfortunately, you don't get to say, oh, I didn't know, or the declaration didn't come. You are expected to make this every single year by March 31st, and it is your responsibility. So don't miss it and keep your eyes out. If you have any other speculation and vacancy tax questions, put them in the comments below and we will answer them to the best of our ability. And if you are interested in becoming a Sold Club member and would like to buy or sell your Fraser Valley home, there's a whole bunch of information in the description to get you started, and we would love to work with you. Finally, if you liked this video, mark that you liked it. And if you would like to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and help us out. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.
You've got questions, we have answers. If you want your real estate question answered on the channel, leave it in the comments below.